Ever wondered why some people seem to have their financial life in perfect order? The secret isn't a gold-plated magic lamp or a lottery win, it's something far more accessible. Financial planning. Financial planning is a roadmap to your financial goals. It's a process that helps you make well-informed decisions about your money so that you can achieve peace of mind and financial independence. Step 1. Assess the current financial situation. Begin by taking a thorough inventory of your financial situation. This includes understanding your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. It's like taking a snapshot of where you are right now on your financial journey. Step 2. Set financial goals. Now think about where you want to go. What are your short-term and long-term financial goals? Buying a house? Starting a business? Or maybe retiring early? Be specific and realistic with your goals. Step 3. Create a budget. A budget is a plan for how to spend your money. It's a tool that helps you align your spending habits with your financial goals. Remember, a budget isn't about restricting what you spend, it's about helping you spend without guilt or regret. Step 4. Plan for savings and investments. With a budget in place, you can now start planning for savings and investments. Savings provide a safety net for unexpected expenses, while investments help grow your wealth over time. Step 5. Manage debt. Debt can be a significant roadblock on your financial journey. Create a plan to manage and reduce your debt. Remember, not all debt is bad. Understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt can help you leverage debt as a tool to achieve your financial goals. Final step. Regularly review your financial plan. A financial plan isn't a set and forget type of deal. It needs regular reviews and updates. Your financial situation, goals, and market conditions may change, and your plan should evolve with them. So, to summarize, begin by assessing your current financial situation. Set clear, achievable financial goals. Create a budget to align your spending with your goals. Plan for savings and investments. Manage your debt effectively, and remember to regularly review and adjust your financial plan as needed. Remember, financial planning isn't about quick fixes or immediate gratification. It's a long-term process that requires patience, discipline, and consistency. But with a well-crafted plan, you can navigate the ups and downs of your financial journey with confidence and ease, moving ever closer to your financial goals. So, why not start today?